Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your purchase history in the Bonjour RATP application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the tickets section. You can just press on it. And here you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see a question mark. Press on that as well. And here you should select the third option, which is My Purchase History. Now you should wait a little bit until the new page loads in. And you have to log in order to see it. So you have to provide your email address and your password and just press on login. And after you logged in, you will be able to see your purchase history afterwards. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.